In the twilight of the ancient world, amidst the myriad tales of gods and cosmic beings, the story of Abraxas emerges from the esoteric traditions of Gnosticism. It is a tale that weaves together the threads of duality and unity, of creation and destruction, encapsulating the profound mysteries of existence. Long before the dawn of human consciousness, there existed the pleroma, the fullness of divine reality where the transcendent source, often referred to as the monad, dwelt in eternal peace. From this ineffable one emanated various eons, or divine entities who populated the spiritual realms with their splendor. Among these eons was Sophia, the embodiment of wisdom. Driven by an insatiable yearning to understand the source, Sophia ventured too far into the depths of the divine mystery. Her bold quest led to a fateful error, and from her unbounded desire was born an imperfect being, the demiurge. This being, unaware of the higher realities, believed itself to be the supreme God and fashioned the material world, shrouding it in ignorance and illusion. In this cosmos of shadows and illusions, humanity found itself trapped, seeking a spark of divine light amidst the darkness. It was in this intricate dance of light and dark that Abraxas, a mysterious and powerful entity, emerged. Abraxas is a figure of profound paradox, embodying both good and evil, light and dark, life and death. Depicted often with a human body, a rooster's head and serpent-like legs, Abraxas symbolizes the union of opposites. Unlike the demiurge, Abraxas is aware of the higher realities beyond the material world. He serves as a mediator between the pleroma and the cosmos, bridging the divine and the earthly. His role is both to reveal and to conceal, to liberate and to bind. As an archon, a ruler of the material realm, Abraxas reinforces the interconnectedness of the spiritual and material worlds. He strengthens the understanding that enlightenment involves integrating these realms. In the hearts of those who seek true knowledge, Abraxas stirs a profound awakening, urging them to transcend the dualities of existence and to glimpse the unity that lies beyond. Abraxas's mediation causes the synthesis of opposites, leading to spiritual enlightenment. The presence of Abraxas facilitates the journey from one state of being to another, transcendence, mediation, and enlightenment. The Gnostic texts, rich with allegory and symbolism, speak of Abraxas as a being whose nature cannot be fully comprehended by the rational mind. He is the embodiment of the eternal struggle and harmony between opposites. To invoke Abraxas is to confront the depths of one's own soul, to face the intertwined forces of creation and destruction within oneself. The conjoined elements in Abraxas's depiction, rooster, human, and serpent, represent distinct yet unified forces. This conjoining signifies the harmonious balance and unity within diversity. Amulets and gems engraved with the name and image of Abraxas were popular in antiquity, often used for protection and invoking his power. These artifacts typically feature symbolic elements like the rooster, the serpent, and sometimes inscriptions with magical incantations. Abraxas creates a harmonic balance of opposites. The figure of Abraxas harmonizes conflicting forces, symbolizing the attainment of inner balance and wholeness. Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung explored the concept of Abraxas in his work, particularly in The 7 Sermons to the Dead. Septem Sermones ad Mortuos. Jung describes Abraxas as a complex and paradoxical figure that transcends conventional dualities, representing a higher unity of opposites. Abraxas integrates elements into a cohesive whole. Jung's exploration of Abraxas highlights his role as an entity that encompasses and integrates different aspects of the divine and material realms. In Jung's analysis, Abraxas embodies the paradoxes of existence, making him a symbol of the integrated self that reconciles internal conflicts. Abraxas integrates opposing forces. The enduring symbol of Abraxas represents the synthesis and unity of dualities, leading to a higher state of understanding and balance. In the texts associated with the Basilidians, a Gnostic sect founded by Basilides in the 2nd century, Abraxas is described with mystic and magical qualities. He embodies the concept of gnosis, which is spiritual knowledge and enlightenment. Abraxas connects non-linear influences, where good and evil are not direct opposites, but part of a cyclical process that influences the material and spiritual realms. The Basilidians believed in a complex cosmology where Abraxas played a crucial role in the hierarchy of divine beings, bridging the gap between the unknowable true God and the flawed material creation. Abraxas converges different aspects into a unified understanding, representing the convergence of dualities into a higher state. Abraxas remains a potent symbol in various esoteric traditions. His representation as a deity of both good and evil, spiritual and material, continues to inspire those seeking deeper spiritual understanding and the reconciliation of opposites. Abraxas combines elements in a unique manner. The ongoing use of Abraxas in amulets and art signifies his integrative and protective qualities, blending different aspects of reality into a cohesive whole. The symbolic elements associated with Abraxas denote different aspects associating to form a comprehensive symbol. The story of Abraxas is not merely a tale of a distant cosmic being, but a profound metaphor for the human experience. It speaks to the inner journey of transformation, the quest for wholeness, and the ultimate realization of the unity that underlies all duality. In the embrace of Abraxas, the seeker finds the path to liberation, to the eternal truth that lies beyond the veil of illusion.